Jen Delisle with Keller Williams and Lux Living Real Estate. We're here today at our newest listing in beautiful Bedford, New Hampshire at 40 Carriage Lane. This property is a contemporary ranch, single floor living, which is so hard to find, 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom, over 3,000 finished square feet. Come inside and take a look. Inside the beautiful chef's kitchen, you will find granite countertops, a peninsula for seating, an island, as well as a 5-burner Wolf cooktop, Bosch wall oven, and Bosch dishwasher. The 4-season sunroom off of the kitchen has radiant heat floors. There's a slider out to the deck, and it overlooks the 2-tier backyard as this home is situated on 2.5 acres. Above the garage is the perfect flex space. There is a full bathroom, an additional smaller room, as well as a huge area for living. This could be a great playroom, teenager suite, and maybe even in-law suite. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for taking a look at 40 Carriage Lane in beautiful Bedford, New Hampshire. Oh, the leaves are so pretty. Come by and take a look. This house will be listed this week, and we'll be doing an open house on Saturday. But if you'd like a private showing, reach out. We're happy to schedule it for you.